let's run it special. For the non-contest drugs, you are also excused before we go to introduction. There's a free sobriety concert for all of you, 7:30, free pizza, sponsored by the Vigilante. Located next to the carnival. And also, Neon Power Fest by the carnival starting at 7:30. Then Jewels at 8:30, starting on Sunday at 9, at County Beach at 9:45 and more. I'll turn it on over to Jeff James for the introduction. Alright, we have quite a few introductory comments. We'll be ready. First of all, let us introduce Terry the Senator, the Chief God, the Association Staff.